Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about an important feature of Java program packages. Okay. So packages are containers for classes that are used to keep the class namespace. Okay. For example, a package allows you to create a class named for example balance. In this video I am going to explain about balance and account balance Java program. So a program allows you to create a class named balance which you can store in your own package without concern that it will collide with some other class named same name like balance. Okay, that is stored elsewhere. Okay, so packages are stored in a hierarchical manner and are explicitly imported into new class definitions. We can import that package into another program, another Java program. So that is the concept of packages in Java. Okay, so welcome back to myclass.com. Here I am going to explain two Java program, that is implementing package concept in Java. Okay, let's start. In this I am explaining my first Java program, that is balance.java. The first statement is package my pack. That means it is compartmentized or putting this balance class file in this folder my pack. Okay, so in this my pack we are implementing this new class balance. Okay, public class balance. Public is here because we want to accept this balance class somewhere else. Okay, public class balance. In this class, two instance variables are there, that is string name and double bar. Okay, for storing the name of the account holder and the balance, remaining balance. Okay, so for getting the values, we are using a balance constructor with the two parameter. Okay, string n double b. String n is for accepting the name of the account holder and d double b is for balance. Okay, for setting the value of the balance. And also one important method is there, that is public void show. This is also public because we want to access from outside this program. Okay, if balance is less than 0, we are just printing system.out.print with arrow is there for recognizing this account holder have negative balance. Okay, this account holder has negative balance, then we are printing the name and the balance of that particular person. Okay, this is all about the balance class for accessing the details of a person and printing that details. Okay, this is in the inside the package my pack. Now I am going to explain another Java program. That Java program contains the main method, that is also using this dot class file, balance dot class file. Okay, so this is our next program, account balance.java. In this, I'm importing import mypack.balance. That means there should be a class file for balance class. That class file is here we are using. For that, we are importing mypack.balance. Okay, so after the statement, we can have all the public details of balance class. Now, public static void main string args balance current array equal to new balance 3. Here we are just declaring object variable of array object variables for 3 persons. Okay, if you want to you create more objects, we can change the value of 3 here. Okay, now in the statement we are not creating the object, we are just declaring the object. Here we are creating the object current 0 equal to new balance. Here we are calling the constructor of the balance class with two parameters, one string value and one double value. Okay. Next is current one equal to new balance will tell the detail of another person 157.02. Next, current 2 new balance Tom Jackson minus 12.33. Okay. Now we are using the show method for showing the detail of all of this three person. I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, current I dot show. So if the value of I equal to 0, the value of the detail of the first person will print, then the next person, and then the next person. Okay. So this is all about this program. In this program only we can find the main method. So we are executing this program. Okay, so let's start. Let's execute this program. For this, some steps are the dis, uh, we will do how it is done. Okay, okay. So I am going to execute this program now. Okay, so for executing this program, we have two Java programs, balance.java and account balance.java. This balance.java is we are compiling first. So in this package, my pack is there in that class. Okay, in that program. For that, the compilation is little different. Minus D. This is for if there is no package inside our desktop Java folder. We want to create it. For that, the minus D is here. Okay. So before that, we will also show the our path desktop Java. In this Java folder, account balance program is also there, balance program is also there. Okay, but there is no my pack package. Let's see if it is not the folder will create at the same time we are compiling this. Okay, so let's see both this window the same time. I am hitting the enter. See the my pack folder have created here. Okay, so in this inside this my pack folder balance.class is here. Okay, so this balance.java only we want to compile it. No need to run it. We can't run this program because there is no main method. If we are trying to run, we could not find the method. The error will come like that. Okay, so we want to compile now. Next, program account balance. This is the same way we are compiling. Okay, account balance.java. It's okay, no error. Now that means this account balance.java will access our balance class inside our mypack folder. Now I am running account balance Java account balance. See, the show method will execute and display the details of 3%. Okay, so that is all about the packages in Java. So what is the concept of package? We can put it in a class file inside a package. We can create a hierarchical structure for that, a hierarchical folder style for that. Okay, so that is all about the packages in Java. For creating the package, we want to write package mypack like that. For importing the already defined package, we can do like that. Import mypack.balance. Mypack is the name of our own folder or package. Okay. Okay, so this is all about package concept in Java. Any doubt you can ask through comments. Thank you.